So I stopped chasing roads I once flew through. But it doesn't mean that I have lost my way, or given up on life along the way. Those paths still whisper out my name, my dreams still rise like burning flames. My heart just learned through every scar how to survive the wounds life caused. Yes, I still remember everyone. I've just stopped showing it so much. There's still a world of love inside. I only stopped saying it aloud. No matter how far the distance grows, the bond with my own still lives and glows. I may have fallen silent now, but my heart still stays where love was found. Distances in relationships sometimes build silent walls we cannot fight. But it doesn't mean I've walked away or stopped meeting the ones I love today. Lost within a crowded place, I've spent long nights in quiet pain. Yet that tiny flame of hope inside still burns alive and lights my life. Yes, I still remember everyone.
I've just stopped showing it so much.
I've just stopped showing it so much.
I've just stopped showing it so much.
There's still a world of love inside.
There's still a world of love
I only stop saying it aloud. No matter how far the distance grows, the bond with my own still lives and glows. I may have fallen silent now, but my heart still stays where love was found. Yes, sometimes I feel all alone, even among the ones I've known. But it doesn't mean my heart has changed.